Can't log in on Yono SBI. Hello guys, welcome back to Random Tech YouTube channel. So today in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix the can't log in Yono application at Yono SBI. You can see here on my screen, this is the application. So if you're finding difficult for logging in, or if it is showing unavailable code, invalid these things, so this video is for those who are facing trouble to login for Yono SBI account. So guys, to do this, first of all, make sure that you have to go to your phone settings, and then after going to your phone settings, you just need to scroll down, and then you have to go to the option as app management or application or install apps or anything. There will be your options. So go to the apps option, and then what you have to do, you have to click on app list. So after clicking to the list, you will find lots of applications here. So just you need to do like you need to just search for YONO. Okay, so here you can see here. So first of all, what you need to do here, you have to just click on storage uses. You can see on the top, this is one. Just click here, and then first make sure that you have to clear all the data here. So, okay, so after clearing all the data, you can see our permission options. Just click to permission, and then you have to allow all the permission here. Okay, see all permission, and then you have so you have to allow all the permission here. Let me allow. There will be different type of allowing process, so this is mine. So I'm done. So this is the one only thing you have to do. Okay, so guys, what you need to do now, the next is you have to just click on Yono options, Yono application, and then I'm gonna show you what you have to do next if you're facing some kind of problem. Okay, here is the interface. You can see here, new to SBI, exciting customer. I have activation code. So what you need to do here is very pretty simple. Okay, you just need to click on exciting customer option, and then log in with using internet banking. If you have internet banking, then just click on login with internet banking, register with my ATM card, and register with account details. So now there will be three options for logging in. Like you can use your internet banking ID and password, and also you can use your registered ATM card, and you can use account details also. So let us first try using ATM card. That will be very much easy, and everyone can do that because no all of them are not using internet banking. So let us try with register ATM card. So let us just click on register ATM card, and then you can see here, enter CIF number and enter account number. So let me just enter it. So now guys, you can get this CIF and account number on your bank passbook. So you just need to open your bank passbook front page. You will get this both CIF and account number. So I have already given. Now what you have to do, you have to click on this submit option on the below of your screen. So let me just click, and you can see a customer is already enabled for internet banking. So here the main thing is what you have to do. They're asking me to put my internet banking service. So let us just go back and try it out for internet banking registration form for exciting SBI customer. Do you have SBI internet banking? So they're asking, do I have internet banking ID? Yes, I have. So let me just enter the username and email. You enter your internet banking username and password, or temporary username and password to proceed. Okay, so let me just enter my internet banking here. Okay, so guys, I'm done with my email and password. So just click on, let me just click on submit option here, and then you can see a invalid username or password. So I don't know what is wrong with this. I will just try it out again once. Like I will just try it out again once. Wait. ONNACH123. So guys, you can see here I'm done. So I just entered a wrong pin code, so password, so that's why. So now here I'm done. So just click on next option, And then here you can see here they're asking for a new pin, so let me just okay, I'm done. So now let me just go back and click on next option here. So here they are sending for OTP, so you can see here to just click here, and then let me just click on next option. And congratulations, you are successfully registered, guys. Go to login, and you can see here I will just enter my pin, and you can see here I will be inside the account. So I hope you like the video. Ek like to talk do or subscribe pe maar do.